My Versa has been making a clanging or banging sound every time I hit a bump, and it sounds like it's coming from underneath the tire, the driver's tire. So let's take a look at it. So when I was looking down here at this, I noticed that this there's a screw missing right here, and every time I hit a bump it pops. And so this is right the screw for a brake caliper. So I don't know how I lost it. I guess someone didn't tighten it on tight enough when they changed the brakes and it popped out or something like that. So what I had to do was I had to find another screw for it, and I was able to get a hold of this one. The dimensions are, what was it again? It was 8 by 1.0 by 20 centimeters. So I'm just gonna put it back in here, tighten it up. And the head was 14 millimeters, but your replacement might be different. Alright, now it's not moving around or making that banging noise, and so I think that's the fix, and I just wanted to go ahead and show y'all that to see if it could help you out.